Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to create international TikTok account and start making money from it. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, click on the subscription button and put on the notification bell. So let's get started. First of all, you need to get your VPN, a free VPN. So the one we'll be using is I have Winscribe on my phone already. So all I have to do is to click on Winscribe and let it open. So once it's open, you look for a location of any VPN or any country you want to use. So I'll be using US. So I have Winscribe on my phone already. So all I have to do is to click on Winscribe and let it open. So once it's open, you look for a location of any VPN or any country you want to use. So I'll be using US. I will click on this US Central and click on Dallas. So okay, it's not a free plan, so I need a free plan. Okay, so Atlanta is Atlanta. So click on the power button. So it's connecting. Let's see. So it has been connected. So now if you want to confirm if the VPN is truly connected, then you have to open your Google Chrome and then search for so you go to what is my IP address.com. so it will bring your location. That's where you can confirm if the VPN is truly connected to your device or not. So let's see. As you can see that it has been connected. It says United States, city Atlanta, region Georgia. So now that has been connected, the next thing you need to do is to come right here and go to new incognito tab. So now once the address has been confirmed, then you open your account and visit .com. Account. So you click on the profile button. So now you click on login. So then right here you come to this sign up. You click on sign up. So we won't be signing up with phone number. We'll be using email address. So click on use phone or email. So it asks for date of birth. So I'm just gonna choose any date of birth here for the video purpose. And the date of birth you are choosing must be more than 18 years above. That's when you can actually monetize the channel. Okay, so now you click on next. So as you can see, it's showing a US phone number because we are using a VPN. So now you enter email address. You enter any email address which you open. So I'm just gonna enter enter one right now. So you click on next. A verification code will be sent, so we are asked to enter a password. So let me see. Click on sign up. So a verification code has been sent to that particular email address. So okay, now it asks us to verify. So you drag and you drop verified. So you come straight down, open your to the TikTok, and you will be able to monetization eligibility. As you can see, creator marketplace, work program, work with artists. So that create a free international TikTok account. My YouTube channel, click on subscription bell and put on the notification bell.